Now, your Stormwatch 9 forecast.
It's been all about the Arctic cold to kick off the weekend, snow, and a lot of it for many to finish the weekend starting tomorrow afternoon. Here's what's going on in the Queen City. We have fair skies, but that Arctic chill overhead right now, a temperature down to 4. The wind's coming down a little bit, but still near 10 miles per hour. So the wind chill at this time, 10 below 0. Brr. It's been that way all day long, and more of that through early on Sunday and even throughout the afternoon as snow moves on in. So leading our weather headlines, the cold air, but now taking over quickly tomorrow, that major snowstorm on the way for Sunday afternoon through Monday. Over a foot of fluffy snow likely in many spots by the time we get through late tomorrow night into the day on Monday. So significant travel disruptions, not only by ground on the roadways, but certainly in the air, with so many cancellations of flights already anywhere in the Northeast and, of course, back to the West. So winter storm warnings statewide kick in at midday tomorrow through Monday evening, all because of this storm covering such a large area of the country. Heavy snow in the northern part of it, and then that dreaded icy mix of sleet and especially freezing rain that's going to wreak havoc on portions of the Tennessee Valley, down to Arkansas, parts of Texas, northern Louisiana of all places, northern Georgia, the Carolinas, even parts of Virginia, all going to get in on a lot of freezing rain for some major outages in the next 24 to 36 hours. Around here, it's all in the form of snow. That's the good news, and that's the easy call in this storm. No rain, no sleet, no freezing rain. It's all snow. What's a little bit tricky is where in this band that we're highlighting for potential for 18 to 24 will we get those numbers, because just about all of the state should see 12 to 18. These are the areas we're highlighting for the best shot to get 18 or more. But again, there could be some spots that end up around 14 to 18, even in Nashua to Portsmouth. But again, we're going to be watching this area very closely in the next 12 to 24 hours. So what about the timeline of when all of this moves on in? Well, through midday tomorrow, relatively quiet. Noon, 1 o'clock, steady light snow. Roads become a little bit slippery, but then the visibility comes down by 2, 3, 4 o'clock because the snow quickly intensifies. These darker blues here, southern New Hampshire from Keene through the Merrimack Valley over to the coastline at 3, 4, 5 o'clock, extending farther north, indicate snowfall rates of over an inch to an inch and a half per hour for several hours. So by 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow evening, some spots could already be bordering on 8 to 10 inches of snow. Then the heaviest of the snow pulls out of here after about midnight, 1 a.m. tomorrow night. On and off late snow showers through the morning drive on Monday. It's going to be very slow because many are digging out, and then bands of snow continue on and off through Monday evening before the storm pulls away. Notice the snowfall rates picking up quite a bit by tomorrow at around 5 p.m., anywhere from around an inch per hour to close to 2 inches per hour in some spots all the way through midnight. And then notice how those rates really drop off by early on Monday morning. One thing that hangs around, the cold air. I don't see 32 degrees anywhere except near the coast for a couple of hours tomorrow evening as a coastal front tries to come in, warming you up there. I don't see that anywhere until maybe after next Saturday.